Eh, so, another short video, but, yeah, Meta-Knight finally came in. Technically this released, I think on the 15th? But my local EB Games, yes, it is EB Games here in Canada again, they never got their shipment of these on release day. For some reason it was just delayed, and I don't think I got this until, no, it was sooner than that. It's like last weekend I got it, but I'll go nicely with Bandanity and Kirby here. If you didn't also see, they recently, I think, got pre-orders up for King DDD on the Tank Star, and then Japan right now has Noir DDD and Sword Kirby on the Hydra and the Dragoon, which I don't know when those are coming out. And then I think there's another one. I'm not 100% sure, don't quote me on that. Anyway, I'm gonna try getting into this thing. So, for those who don't know, this is Meta-Knight on the Shadow Star. Meanwhile, Bandanity is on the Wing Star, which is basically the the light version of the star, so like light versus dark. And then Kirby's on his iconic Warp Star. I'm also, like, when you're seeing this, it'll be either Monday or Wednesday. Either way, yeah, I'm currently up at my grandparents' when you guys see this. I was in the middle of packing when I was, recording this, trying to figure things out, doing things last minute, like somebody with ADHD does. I actually hate how loud these things are. Hang on, use this. Might muffle the sound a bit, hopefully. Is there one in the middle? Yes, there is. There we go. It almost fails to use a blade to muffle the sound of opening loud packages. Now is Meta-Knight gonna come out? Yes, there we go. So they did really good, a really good job on these, honestly. Might just be the angle he's looking at. I don't know. Come on. Ow. There we go. So, yeah, it's all sparkly. But the one good thing about these is they magnetize on. and you can interchange them. So say I wanted Bandanity on the Shadow Star instead of Meta Knight, and him on the Wing Star. Come on. But it's hard to do this when you're looking through phone camera. Yeah, then Meta Knight can be on the Wing Star while Bandanity is on Shadow Star, and vice versa. But yeah, there we go.